For my manipulative, I chose how to show adding and subtracting for fractions for 4th grade math. And what I did was I printed out grid sheets, and we're going to use these blocks to help determine what the answer would be for each of these questions. So for the first one, it deals with adding, and it says a class had a pizza party. 3/8 of one pizza was left over, and 4/8 of another pizza was left over. You put them both into one box. How much pizza do you have altogether? Use the blue blocks to represent 3/8 and use the red blocks to represent 4/8. So altogether from the pizza party, they had 16 pieces of pizza because of 8 plus 8. So on this grid sheet, we're going to use blue blocks to represent one pizza, which was the 3/8. So 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to use red blocks to represent the other pizza, which was 4/8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the question is, how much pizza do you have altogether? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 16 pieces left. With the next question, it deals with subtracting, and it says after a party, 5/8 of the cake is left over. That night, Big Brother eats 2/8 of the cake. How much is left after that? And it tells us to use red blocks to determine this. So on this grid sheet, there is 8 blocks that shows that they had 8 pieces of the cake at the party. So we're going to use these red blocks to determine how much cake is left. So they had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces left after the party, and then the big brother eats 2 pieces of the cake that night, so we're going to take away 2. And how much is left over after that? It's 1, 2, 3 out of 8 pieces are left over.